Hello everyone, this tomato gravy is so delicious and it does not require a lot of ingredients. Let's cook. So first off, you're going to need half an onion chopped, so heat your pan, add olive oil, then add onions and bell peppers. I'm not making a lot of gravy, so if you're making more, you can just add more vegetables. Cook on medium heat until your veggies are soft. Let's add some curry powder and salt, 6 gun or chicken spice. Saute until your veggies are nice and soft. Let's add 2 grated tomatoes. You can chop them, I just prefer them grated. One tablespoon of paprika. It's gonna give our gravy a beautiful color. And then just about a teaspoon of coriander. Half a cup of water just to loosen. After 10 minutes or so, add 2 tablespoons of cream of tomato. Mix that with water and then add to your gravy. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. My tomato sauce was running out, so I added water just to loosen it up. I just added more 6 gun chicken spice. So when you add your sweet chili, you don't need to add sugar or a bit of honey because sweet chili is sweet. I love the consistency. So we're just gonna add a bit of black pepper. Stir that and then taste as you go. And then now we're just going to close the lid and allow it to cook for the last 5 minutes or so. Now we are done. This is the consistency that you're looking for. It looks amazing. We are done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe. This is how you can serve it. I made this last weekend. We enjoyed it with South African braai. And then the other weekend I also cooked it and enjoyed it with rice, some grilled chicken. All these other videos are in the description box if you would like to watch them. Bye guys.